In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting in Gmail with Google Calendar. This process will make it incredibly simple for you to organize meetings without ever leaving your Gmail inbox, ensuring that your communication with colleagues or clients is smooth and efficient. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account. Go to your preferred web browser and type in Gmail's URL to access your account. If you haven't signed in already, you will need to do so. Click on the Sign In button located at the top of the Gmail homepage. Carefully enter your Google account credentials, which include your email address and password, and press Enter or click Next to log in. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, locate the Compose button, usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it will open a new email draft. Here, fill in the To field with the recipient's email address and the subject field with a suitable subject for your meeting. Now, to set up a time to meet, look for the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options button, at the bottom of your email draft. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Set up a time to meet. This will redirect you to the Google Calendar interface. In Google Calendar, you'll see an option to create an event. Go ahead and click on Create an Event. This is where the main scheduling of your meeting will happen. Enter all relevant event details such as the meeting title, date, time, and any other necessary information like location or description. It's important to be as detailed as possible so that all participants have the information they need. To add a video conferencing option, click on the Add Video Conferencing button. Typically, this button is displayed below the event details section. If you've previously used Zoom with Gmail, the option to add Zoom meeting should appear here. Select it to generate a unique Zoom link for this meeting. However, if you don't see Zoom as an option, you might need to install the Zoom add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Simply navigate to the add-ons menu, search for Zoom, and follow the prompts to install it. Once everything looks good, you're ready to finalize the setup. Click Save to ensure all your details are stored and your event is created in the calendar. Finally, head back to your Gmail draft and click Send to dispatch your meeting invitation to all intended participants. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to schedule a Zoom meeting right from your Gmail inbox using Google Calendar. This seamless integration helps keep your workflow organized and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy scheduling!